Okay guys, so today I'm going to be shooting this. I got a little tiny deer target. It's really fun to shoot at. It's from Hunter Dan. They make these all weird little tiny guns, handguns, rifles, crossbows, a whole bunch of weird stuff. So today I'm not going to do a review, but I'm doing we're going to show you how it shoots. So alright, here's the shoot. I'm going to set him up, and here's the shooter. Okay, so this bullet is right here. Right here. When the air is pushed into it, this little green tip pops out like that. Right there is going to be our shooter. Show him the gun. It's from hunterdan.com. Pretty nice little play around gun. So let's see how he shoots. Ready?
And I will be using the sight and the clip. The dude that's talking right now is gonna not use any of those. So
my name is Chase, and the shooter's Mars. First shot, nice.
You think we should move back?
Back to the hunt, I suppose. Goodbye, rabbit. Goodbye, squirrel.
Yeah, I think we should. That was just like a cheater shot.
Yeah.
That's kind of what it sounds like when, you know. So right now I'm going to set up his thing, find the bullet. See, I can see the little green thing right there.
Okay, Chase, can I have my bullet back?
Yep, I'm getting there. Then, nailed it.
Can you move it to the left?
I'm shooting now. He nailed it. See the camera. Oh, you can cross it right here. Hold on a sec. Okay, Mars, you got set up?
My apologies. I too had beans for breakfast.
Okay, guys, ready?
50, no.
Okay, so, ready, Mars? Well, Mars. Just turn the little handle. There's a handle down there. Oh, sorry about that. Ready?
Oh, I have it zoomed in. Hold on.
Okay, now turn it. There we go.
And let me just tilt it down. That was a miss.
Oh, was it, Mars? Was it?
Yep.
You gotta be kidding.
No, you don't travel, just a little yard work.
So that's what you're calling it.
Ready? Here I go.
You realize how far we've come since the Stone Age, hmm?
It works for me.
Nailed it.
Oh, great. No wonder you
Mars,
got such a
Mars.
high. Put your eyes on this.
Wow, that was my second shot. He was a lot better. Okay, so set it up and let's do it.
Okay.
Where's the little bullet?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Well, there's 3 over there that are loaded, right?
I don't know.
I think so. I just threw one in a little bit further. What? We have 3. Okay. So, our shooter is getting the gun ready. So, while he's doing that, if if you decide you're gonna get one of these, don't go to Sportsman's Warehouse. It's really expensive. We paid about $40 for that. Yes, it was a little much, but it's a fun little gun, and he even admits it. And so I like it. And if you guys think you're gonna buy one, just go on HuntOrDan.com. They've got some stuff other than that. They've got some other cool things like slingshots and all that. So please shut up, T-Bug. So if you want one, just go buy it at HuntOrDan.com.